let's say that you have the Instagram DM not showing issue. And what it basically means is, if you go on Instagram, click the DMs right here, you just can't see any DMs. No primary, no general tab options, nothing.
Thanks.
I lost something once. I lost something I couldn't live without. My
DMs.
In this video, you'll learn how to fix the DM not showing issue on Instagram. Actually, 5 ways. 4 ways to fix it. All I want from you is to grab 2 things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome. The second, my free 0 to 10k follower guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Like this video because it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe with bell notifications on if you're new to the channel. Okay, so the first way, and it might seem very simple, but it's something that you gotta do, is click on the App Store, the Google Play Store. If you are on an Android device, click on search, type in search and just type in Instagram and check if you have an update option or just open. If you don't and you still have DM not showing feature, uninstall Instagram, install it again. This is the first thing you gotta do, and also reset your password from a browser without logging in. Just click on forgotten password, reset your password. This is the first steps you gotta take. These steps help a lot of people out. The second way is going on settings right here, click on help, click on report a problem, and just explain the problem to Instagram. Something isn't working, just explain it with the feedback option. And the last way to actually fix the Instagram DM not showing function is to go on the search bar, search for a username, for example Dr. Disrespect, click on message, and then say hey, then go on your DMs again, and now when you refresh you should have the DM function available. If it just works for the account you message just now, just do it for everyone that you have a conversation missing with. If your whole DMs are missing because you deleted them, I have a video in the cards above that can help you restore deleted Instagram DMs. It actually works and it's a really good guide.
They've done studies, 60% of the time it works every time. That doesn't make sense.
And you know what? I can shout you out in one of my next YouTube videos. Just comment your Instagram username down below and I'll shout you out. We have a few shout out winners from this video. The first one is My Motivation Daily. Motivation videos to brighten up your day and keep you motivated. How cool is that? Check him out. Then we have Thank you so much, I did and it worked. It's actually about how to remove debit or credit card from Instagram video. And I really like comments where people just don't complain in comments on what's not working from the video, but just people saying that what helped them out. It really motivates me to keep it coming. Jamie XX says, hey Dr. Niki, thanks for the video. I'm Jamie XX and I produce content for living, lifestyle, study. Check her out. Remember that a video that keeps the doctor away. And wait, by the end of this video, check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.